Okay, so this is just going to be a really simple maintenance video. If you've never tightened the screws on your glasses, this is just that. These sunglasses might not look like much. They are a pink version of a pair that I had that was brown or tortoiseshell, and the lenses were brown, and I absolutely loved them. I wore the crap out of them. Literally wore the life out of them, apparently. I think one fell off my head and broke. The other one was missing a screw because I didn't keep it maintained enough. And so out of two bad ones, I was able to make one good one, and then I lost that one as well, or broke it. I didn't even remember, honestly. It's been a while. And then I found these at a thrift store, and they were pink, which is like even more exciting to me. So I really, really love these sunglasses, even though they're not much. I mean, they're very silly. They're nothing special. They're certainly not, name brand or big name sunglasses, but I love them. They work really well for me. I love the way they fit. So all of that is to say, it's really important to keep them maintained well, because I want to keep using them. I wear them almost every day. I have lots and lots of other sunglasses. I have a little bit of a problem, a little confession for you there, but these are definitely one of my favorite pair. So I have my tools set out here. I actually cheated a little bit and found out that this is particularly the one that actually fits. Most of these came, I think, just from like the Dollar Tree. That's kind of where I look for like a sunglasses kit whenever I need it. And then but I've had these for a long time, and they have pretty much everything you could possibly need to do maintenance on eyeglasses or sunglasses. So, okay, so this whole video could have been like 3 seconds long if all I was showing you was the actual maintenance part of it. So literally there's a Phillips head, teeny tiny. I'm just going to line it up and make sure that this is good and tight. Oops, still really loose. That felt pretty good. Excellent. Okay, yeah, that's definitely taking some more effort. Excellent. All right. So the other thing that I particularly like about doing this maintenance is that if you have your sunglasses on and you're someone who just pushes them up to the top of your head, having them tight like this can help with that. So yeah, that's a really simple way to keep things in good working order and to extend the life of them so that you don't have to buy replacements and use up the resources that it would take for that replacement.